Your quarter panel emblems often get pitted, corroded, and even paint flaking over the years. Finding a fresh replacement can prove very challenging. Fortunately, we've got a perfect reproduction of the original. And Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1967 Chevelle SS quarter panel emblems. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. You can purchase this individually or in a pair to suit your needs. Each emblem is manufactured from die-cast zinc and case-hardened steel tooling to produce clean and crisp lines. In addition, we include the correctly located mounting pins for a straightforward installation. After careful inspection, every emblem is chrome-plated that is sure to impress others. Each molding is finely detailed with a white enamel paint to highlight the signature SS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.